Good evening, everybody. It's Dhaval. Walking here through downtown Toronto right now. It's like 25 degrees Fahrenheit and I'm freezing my ass off, and that's why I'm like really super bundled up, and the wind is coming this way here, so it's like totally in my face from Lake Ontario. So but anyway, just was watching the Kansas City Houston game, and it looks like KC's going to advance, so the game's pretty much over. So wanted to get something to eat, and there's this really cool Indian street food restaurant that was recommended to us called Chaska, and we're just gonna go ahead and enter the place right now. Oh, looks like there's some trouble brewing here. Woo. Oh, look at that. So anyway, we're gonna go to this this kind of fast food Indian street food place here called Chaska, and I want to try their chicken rolls here, and it's called the Indian Street Food Obsession Chaska here. Pretty cool. And let's take a look here. Let's see what they have. So, guess I have by. All right. I know. I also wanted to try their chicken wrap here. Could I try the chicken kati roll? Okay. With chicken tikka. What do you recommend? Chicken achari or chicken tikka?
Go for the achari one.
Really? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. That's spicy. I'll go for the chicken achari.
With egg?
No eggs. No.
No eggs.
Yeah, just the chicken, right? And one of those Perrier waters.
Perrier water.
Yeah. And let's see. Do you want anything?
I want the kati roll, paneer achari.
Yeah.
And sparkling water.
Yeah. And what? Yeah. And a sparkling water. Do you want anything else? Okay. So we're gonna get some of the food here, and
What was your kati roll?
Achari, paneer
Can I
achari.
not feature?
oh yeah.
And then
Sorry.
not
Oh yeah. Sorry.
Yeah, what was it?
paneer achari, spicy.
Okay.
So.
And a Perrier of water, right?
Yes.
For you is chicken achari kati roll, and what was the drink?
Water.
The water, sparkling water.
Same?
Same.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so I got my kati roll here, and my chicken kati roll, and I'm gonna go ahead and unwrap it here, as you can see. And what it looks like, kind of like an Indian burrito, but I'm just gonna slightly open it. You can see all the chicken morsels here, the fresh ginger, and I guess spicy curry or something, but I'm just gonna take a little bit of the chicken here and eat it. It's really fantastic. You can kind of see it's all wrapped up here in an Indian roti. And go ahead and take a bite of it. It's really good. It's got a lot of masalas, everything, but it has like a tamarind paste, and I think some green chutney, fresh ginger, and it's really fantastic. Just take another bite here. If you do make it out to Toronto, this is definitely a place to check out. And the price isn't so bad either, especially if you have US dollars. So, but I'm gonna just keep on munching this delicious Indian kati roll. It looks like an Indian style burrito, but it's really fantastic. I think what really makes it is the tamarind and the fresh ginger cuts on here. So really good. But anyway, this is Dhaval signing off here from Chaska, the Indian street food restaurant here in downtown Toronto. All right. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.